ear posting, you'll need electrical tie, quite a fat one, scissors, wire cutters, blade, ruler, use a metal one, couple of cotton wool pads, micropore tape, and some black duct type tape. First of all, measure the dog's ears, and for Jack's it's approximately 5 inches long, so I guess that'll be the same for your girl. Lay this out on the work area. Cut it with the knife just to a rough length. Then what we do, we find the centre of your duct tape. Cut it all the way through. Then measure 5 inches and cut through. And then another 5 inches for the other ear and cut through. Discard that little piece there. Then we get one of our ties. That's for one ear. That's for the other ear. What I do is lay, first of all, just the ends are very sharp there. Just clip them off so they're round, so when they go into the dog's ears it doesn't damage them. So I just clip off the ends of them. You can do that or with a file, just so it's not so sharp. Lay that on top of your duct tape. Just a little bit shorter, cut it a little bit shorter than the tape. That end doesn't really matter if it's sharp because it's obviously not going to the dog's ear. So that sits like that, yeah, on top. Then we get the other piece of duct tape, stick it over the top, and just trace it round with something, with your scissors or something, so it's nice and tight. This is pretty easy to do actually. Now take the whole thing off of the board, which now you've got your electrical tie in between the two pieces of duct tape, and it's very sticky. Then all you do is get your cotton wool from your cupboard, just set it over, say, what's that? Let's have a look, that's probably 1/2 inch. Set it across like that. Get a little piece of micropore tape, lift up your tie, wrap it around, and then just bring it up, and that's the cushion for his ear. Then get your micropore tape and get it off my finger, and just wrap a piece of that round just to hold it in place. There's your first posting. Just the same with the second one. Make sure the edges aren't too sharp. Lay it down. On top of the first bit of duct tape, put the second piece just over the top so it's trapped between the two. That's the second one. Cotton wool, same thing as before, just over about 1/2 inch, say. Wrap it round and bend it up so it gives a nice pad. A bit more of your micropore tape. And just tape that round so it can't come off. There are your two posts. Now we'll just have to show you how to put them in the dog's ears.